This lesson is about the equation of tangent line and normal line. Suppose that this is your function's graph f of x, and we are going to write the equation of tangent line at this point. In order to write the equation of a line, we need two things. First, we need a point. So this point, normally x of this point, x coordinate is given. For example, a and f of a. The second thing is the slope. Without slope, we cannot write the equation of the line. And how are we going to get the slope? It's very simple. You take the derivative and plug in a into the derivative. So therefore, slope is f prime at a. Let's have an example. So y equals x minus x squared, and we are going to write the equation of tangent line at x equals 1. Since we have the x coordinate of the point, we plug in x and we get the y value. Obviously, if you plug in x1, it's going to be 0. Therefore, we have the point. Now we take the derivative in order to get the slope. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of x squared is 2x. So now we calculate the derivative at the x coordinate of the point, which becomes 1 minus 2 times 1, which is -1. And this is the slope of tangent line. By having slope and point, we use the slope point form of the line, which says y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So y minus 0 equals -1x minus 1. Therefore, y equals -x plus 1 is the equation of tangent line. But what is normal line? So the line perpendicular to the tangent line, as you see here, is called normal line. So this blue line is called normal line. The slope of normal line is negative reciprocal of the slope of tangent line because they are perpendicular. And this blue line, normal line, passes through the same point. Therefore, we are not going to change the point. The only thing that we will change is the slope of normal line. Therefore, I'm going to write the slope, the equation of normal line here. Y minus 0 equals, so -1 over -1, negative reciprocal, x minus 1. Therefore, y equals x minus 1 is the equation of normal line. I'm going to give you another example. So suppose that y equals 2x over x minus 1. We are going to write the equation of tangent line and normal line at x equals 2. So once x is 2, y would be 2 times 2 over 2 minus 1, which is 4. In order to get the slope of tangent line, we take the derivative. And how do I do that? That's quotient rule. Derivative of top is 2 times bottom itself minus derivative of denominator, which is 1, times numerator, which is 2x, all over x minus 1 squared. So y prime can be written as negative 2 over x minus 1 squared, as 2x and negative 2x cancel each other out. Now plug in 2, so we'll get negative 2 over 1 squared, which is negative 2. So negative 2 is the slope of tangent line. By having the point and the slope, we easily write the equation of tangent line here. So y minus 4 equals negative 2 x minus 2. Let's write the equation of normal line here. Point doesn't change, so y minus 4, but slope of normal line is negative reciprocal of negative 2, which is 1/2. And this is the equation of normal line.